Yeah, it's AZ, baby. You already know what it is. Tell them like, it's just a DJ on my brand new. Look, I can spit on anything, even Somalian beats. And I rap so sick, they like the way I speak. Girl, you know you want me to act like you the shit. It's AZ on the DJ on my brand new remix. Somali chicks sick, man, they blessed with some ass. To get in your skirt, they spent a lot of cash. I can't wait for you to put your hand in my hand. Yo, King Khalid, where you at? Talk to him, man. Say, man. Oh, oh, oh. Shoes. If you got another man, you need to cut him loose. I'm here for you, shawty, you don't need him anymore. And when I come around, he needs to go, go. Look, I've been trying to get with you since high school. I'm a young cat, but my love is old school. Your mama think I'm bad just cause I rap. I'm trying to keep you happy, don't like to see you sad. I'm a good kid and I'm trying to be polite. All I'm asking is, can I come over tonight? Just sneak me in your room, your mama never know. Just the shape of your body is like whoa, 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 whoa. See what happens when you put the best artist and the best DJ together. It's Omaari production, man. Hagen Entertainment. 502-616. I'm out of here, man.